Polito Dairy Farm is one of the biggest and most modern dairy farms in Kenya. The farm is renowned for its high quality dairy breeds and for providing practical knowledge on modern dairy farming practices. Visitors do experience first-hand information on how to advance technology and the best practices that are applied in daily operation, from animal care and feeding to milking and breeding. Polito Farm supplies cows not only across Kenya but also to the neighboring countries including Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda and Burundi. This make it a trusted source for quality breeds in the region. Anyone interested in improving their dairy farming skills or acquiring top quality breeds will find Polito Farm to be an invaluable source. You can also visit the farm. It's located in Nyandarua County in a small village called Kwaharaka near Jabini Market, where you can see the operation up to close and interact with the farm. Welcome all. Tunasema Polito Farm ndio shamba bora kwenye kilimo cha ng'ombe.